I had a contracture maybe by being sat during surgery and I feel much more comfortable.
We have started to use CORDUS and SACRUS, and truth is that since the first day we've seen changes in our patients, in their symmetry and their posture. We keep using it because we've liked the results we've had.
It has very efficient results in treatments for patients with spine problems and patients with biomechanical problems in legs.
It looks very simple, but it truly is very effective. It takes away the pains, tension, and I also want to use it with my patients because I think it will be very helpful. I feel very relaxed and comfortable. I also loved the fact that it can be placed on the head and you can feel your body completely aligned.
In patients with herniated discs in their lower back, I have seen a significant progress.
I've been trying it on many people and on myself. It's super effective on certain back pains and also on neck pains.
It's very good in eliminating sciatic pains, it's very easy to use and it heals the pain. Very helpful.
I used it on cervical and lumbar and I noticed that it worked a lot in that zone as well as the sacrum.
It helps a lot in common lumbalgias. In muscular and ligaments, aches can be very effective, and I personally use it a lot.
My experience with CORDUS has been satisfactory. With a physiological lumbar lordosis.
I have used CORDUS on some of my students and patients. And it gives excellent results for people that have had back injuries.
It helped me a lot to free the contracture.
For myself and with patients, obtaining very good results when you want to use a treatment that's not surgical, in diseases such as in herniated discs or chronic lumbar pains.
I think it's phenomenal. I felt it very comfortable. I will use it in my therapies. I really like the stretching feeling. I felt very relaxed in the lumbar area. I think it's a really good complement for the other device.
CORDUS has helped me with my back. I use it every third day for 15 minutes. The pain has reduced, and this has been during 10 months of use.
I recommend the use of this device to other colleagues that work in cervical or spinal muscle rehabilitation.
The athletes I treat have had really good results with therapies where I've used CORDUS. I've had a significant progress in waiting times for lumbar problems.
We've used it during many classes. And on me, particularly, it worked on a contracture I had at cervical level.
With this device I was able to work the deep muscles of the back. I have very good results with patients and with myself.
I feel very good. There is a change in my back, and I would even say in my posture.
I used it on myself, and I personally find it very useful in back zone injuries or to help athletes to deeply relax that zone.
I've used it on myself and on patients. A man who had had spine surgery came to my practice. I applied it to him and now he's using it and has left the cane. He doesn't have pain anymore, and that is truly impressive. It's not about eliminating the pains, but eliminating the cause of pains.
I have around 2 years using CORDUS as well as SACRUS on my patients. And I've been able to see truly good results in cervical pains as well as in postural problems, and in the typical lumbalgia pain or even in chronic back pain. It's a tool that I much recommend using.
Although I am a yoga teacher and I know what to work, I recommend this device because it goes straight to the spot.
Since the first time I used it, I felt how it worked in my back. The tension and pain that I had been suffering reduced a lot.
It's very effective. I feel good.
In less than a month it completely released the tension that I had due to my shoulder injury towards the neck and back.
Many problems that I have, especially scoliosis, have improved a lot. I feel more relaxed and the muscular contracture has reduced.
In patients with spine deviations, CORDUS helps them to recover much faster.
I recommend it.
I had a lumbar sciatic pain and I was surprised because it totally relaxed me. By using it frequently I will have good progress and so will my patients.